How have 2 years already passed?
Notice, appraisal of unlimited imprisonment is complete.
I can finally fulfill my promise. I'll set you free now. Let's do this, Veldora. Am I... taller? Raphael, make a double of my body. That way Veldora can inhabit it.
Activating enhanced body double.
Huh? Dang. I did mature a bit. If I do say so myself, I'm kind of a hottie. Okay, task at hand. Please work.
Notice, soul corridor between Master and the individual named Veldora confirmed.
Yes!
I am the Storm Dragon Veldora Tempest! 3, 5! And those who defy me will be slaughtered!